Today, in 1950, we're going ahead with an enlarged program for military aid to strengthen the common defense of the free nations. Step by step, these achievements in the struggle between freedom and communist imperialism have brought the free nations closer together. When the communist movement turned to open armed aggression in Korea, the response of the free nations was immediate. 53 of the 59 members of the United Nations joined in meeting the challenge. 30 have pledged concrete aid to the United Nations to put down this aggression. Thus far, the brunt of the fighting has fallen upon the armed forces of the Republic.
I'm talking to you tonight about what our country is up against and what we're going to do about it. Our homes, our nation, all the things we believe in are in great danger. This danger has been created by the rulers of the Soviet Union. For 5 years, we've been working for peace and justice among nations. We have helped to bring the free nations of the world together in a great movement to establish lasting peace. Against this movement for peace, the rulers of the Soviet Union have been waging a relentless attack. They have tried to undermine or overwhelm the free nations one by one. They've used threats and treachery and violence. In June, the forces of communist imperialism burst out into open warfare in Korea. The United Nations moved to put down this act of aggression, and by October had all but succeeded. Then in November, the communists threw their Chinese armies into the battle against the free nations. By this act, they have shown that they are now willing to push the world to the brink of a general war to get what they want. This is the real meaning of the events that have been taking place in Korea. That is why we are in such grave danger. The future of civilization depends on what we do, on what we do now and in the months ahead. We have the strength and we have the courage to overcome the danger that threatens our country. We must act calmly, wisely, and resolutely. Here are the things we must
I cannot have this occasion without mentioning our deep and heartfelt thanks to the American war mothers. We thank them for sending their sons, their husbands, and their brothers in the American Army, Navy, Marine, and the Air Force to Korea in our dark hours. We shall never forget that from our valleys and the mountains, the souls of American and Korean soldiers went up gathered with God. May the Almighty God and praise them as we cherish their memory. Ladies and gentlemen of the Congress, these noble compatriots of yours that magnificent leadership, General MacArthur, General Dean, General Walker, General Orman, Ridgway, and Clark, and General Holland.